Good morning again. I should have showed you this, I guess. This is probably something I should have showed you at the same time I was showing you the other. This is the Pacific Blob image, right? Just sit back and look at this picture, right? Look at the picture. This is a picture of Mare Oriental backwards from the moon. Okay, look at the way that these two lines come up right here. See this? Okay. And see how it dips down? It dips down right here. You can see that. I mean, it's pretty clear. And this part, how it's right in there. And then look at the outside, the outline. Look at this outline of this crater. And then look at this outline of this weather pattern. Oh, check that shit out. Okay. See that? And then you see, look at this coming out the side. Look right here. See that? You see this little pattern coming out the side. If you look there, you can see there's definitely something there to that. Just the whole image. I mean, it's wow. And I've shown some other things that show this up here, and I mean, it's oh yeah, the Imbrium, Mare Imbrium with that part that goes up right there. I think I already have that overlaid, maybe. I'm not sure if that's this one, if it's lined up that way or not. Oh yeah, there it is. See it right there. See the curve up in that right there? That's the same thing. Look at that. See how this goes right here? Look. I'm glad I was going to move this image at one point too. I'm glad I didn't. Look at this part. Imbrium and Mare Oriental. And you follow this all the way around. Look at this where this curve comes down, and look at the stuff that comes out the side. Look. All the way down here to Copernicus. You can see something there. Something happens right down here. You can see something like that. But this is definite. This is up here is definite. I mean, it's. I got other things that show that too, even better than that. But that's right there. Not hard to see. And then we have today's image right here. And I'll bring that. I should have brought Imbrium up with that. I think I already did bring up Imbrium with that, didn't I? Oh, because it doesn't show any weather up there actually. But anyways, just wanted to point that out. That's you have to see that this stuff to, you know what I mean. This picture right here just shows everything, really. Look at how it holds that edge down there. Look right along the curve, and this whole pattern is just so there. And for that, see that the whole thing with this is for it to do that, for the moon to be able to do that with gravity, with it by gravity, it would have to be locked facing the Earth in this position. I mean, for a long time facing this spot on the Earth. It wouldn't be going around the moon or the Earth or whatever. It would have to be phased, locked with this spot, the Gulf of Alaska, with that area of the moon facing that spot for days or whatever, months, years, whatever, to pull that up like that or to create that spot. It would have to be locked in that one position, not going around like it does now. You know, it would have to be locked on that for that to pull that up that or pull that shape into the Earth. It'd have to be in that same place for a long period of time, and I don't doubt that. That could be, but I think it's more like because this same pattern is just you'll see it eventually again. I mean, it's not only up here in the places I pointed out in the last video. It takes a different shape, but it's the same thing in other places, like in the in the Bay of Bengal or whatever. Over here, right here in the Indian Ocean, it takes the same. You'll see the same thing, just in a different pattern. But it is the same thing. It comes from the same thing. It's like a pole spot or something, but you know, shaped like the moon. The surface of the moon backwards, people. How is that? Nobody ever talks about that. The weather and the Earth, or the moon entirely shaped the Earth. I mean, this this is put in place over Africa, and it's well aligned because we can see something happens in Africa, right, right where I show this. Right here, this right here is the impact, is like the impact right here. This is the edge of it. This is a nice alignment right here, and it's huge, but it's the right size. It fits everything. Aligned this way. So have a great weekend again. Till next time.